Welcome back to the channel. Today,
We're gonna be showing you how to parallel park in GTA.
confirm.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna align yourself with the driver's side. And then you're gonna wanna turn your wheels to 45-degree angle. And make sure that your car is all the way to the curb. And then all the way over to the curb. You're gonna pull out right where his bumper
Okay,
is
continue.
out. And you wanna put back more. Just like this. But
Okay.
then this fucking driver right here.
Alright, technical difficulties.
Yeah, some
Okay.
technical difficulties.
And then,
pull up more, and then back again, right? Oh my god, wait, is that a cop? Oh my god, okay.
yep.
You want to pull again, and then you want to go back. Back just a tiny bit more. Woo! You see how close I was, guys? Bruh. That is how you parallel park.
That's it. Alright,
No,
guys, if you
this
enjoyed this
car right
video,
here!
leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Weekly, daily, monthly, yearly content. Oh my god.